Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to apply a blur filter, a grayscale filter, as well as adjust hue of an video in native macOS with Swift. So let's get started. So here you can see, I'll first show you a demo. I have one video player like the AV video player, and I have one play video button as well as save video button. Inside my downloads folder I have this particular video. Once I click on play, it will open the video picker, and from this I'll select this video. As soon as I select this video, it will apply the blur effect for it, because if you see my code, I'm just applying blur filter, but if you want you can apply blur and grayscale or hue adjust simultaneously as well. But just to keep it simple, I'm just applying blur filter for now. And if I select this particular video, it will apply the blur filter. Now if your video is very long, this will take little bit of time, so be patient, otherwise you might feel that nothing is happening. So I'll just select this particular small video. Once it has applied blur, it will start playing it inside our video player. And also, so as you can see, it has blurred that particular video. And if I click on save, so here you can see inside my downloads folder I would only have one video. If I click on save, that particular blurred video has also been saved. Similarly, I'll quickly show it for grayscale as well. Now there are different CI filters which are already present inside a macOS application. Like these same filters can be applied for iOS as well. So depending on this CI filters which are there, you can apply any kind of an effect to a video. Same goes for images as well. So I'll quickly run this grayscale as well, grayscale effect. If I click on play video, I'll select this video. As you can see, it has applied that particular grayscale for this particular video as well. Now the next part we'll see is hue adjust. So I'll just comment this out and I'll uncomment this, and if I run this again, you can change this hue angle value to whatever you feel like. If I click on play video, I'll select this, I'll click on open. As you can see, like this greenish color has been applied, which is kind of a hue adjust. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So first of all, you will have to create a native macOS application, and once you're done with that, you can just go to your sign in and capabilities, and inside user selected file, check this as read only, and inside downloads and folder, make sure this is read/write. Then inside our view controller, firstly I'm using storyboard with AppKit, but if you want you can use Swift UI as well. Then I have imported AVKit. I have created this enum just so that we can track any errors. And then here I have created an AV player as well as two buttons. Here we are initializing our AV player, adding it to our view, initializing two of our buttons. Also I have added click listener, like one for play video and one for save video. Here we are doing some NS layout constraints to lay out our views and buttons, and I'll come back to save video later on. But once you click on play video, we are just opening our NS open panel. We are filtering by videos, multiple selection is false. So once the user selects a video, we get the URL, we send that URL to this transformed method. It applies whatever effect you want and then gives us the updated URL, and then I start playing that updated URL inside AV player, assign it to our player view and start playing the video. If you see the transformed method, here I have one file manager. Then we are creating an AV URL asset as well as AV mutable composition. Then we are creating a video composition track, an audio composition track, then an asset video track and asset video audio track. We are getting duration of the entire video, creating time range for it and inserting inside our video composition as well as audio composition track. Then creating an export path as well as an export URL. File already exists, I'm removing that particular file. Now here if you want to apply blur filter, just uncomment this. For grayscale filter, you can just uncomment this, and for Hue Adjust, this is the code for it. So yeah, use whatever you feel like. Then here I have created an AVS asset export session, and here I have created our export URL, and here I have created our mp4 file, and then assigned our filter composition to our video composition. Then I have just exported our final URL, so I'm assigning it to this variable. Now if I go to the save video method, so if you see, first I'm getting hold of our downloads directory. If that is present, then only we are getting hold of our final URL. If that is not equal to nil, we are creating a destination URL with the help of this last path component of our final URL. If file already exists, then if does not exist, then we are returning back. If it already exists, then we are removing it, and then we are moving it from final URL to destination URL, so which is the downloads directory. That's how our file is saved. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.